ROV approaching Republic F-105 Thunder Chief cockpit canopy, single-seat fighter, canopy frame corroded, peering through salt-edge glass.
Troops outfitting. ROV inspecting Republic F-105 Thunder Chief's Pratt & Whitney J75 turbojet engine.
5 Thunder Chief fuselage, Two heavy lift vessels synchronizing winch operations above a broken and rusty Republic F-105 Thunder Chief. Computer-controlled coordinate.
Republic F-105 Thunder Chief crossing Pacific Ocean on transport barge, continuous monitoring, weather routing, protecting Vietnam War veteran aircraft.
Transport barge entering U.S. West Coast Naval Base with Republic F-105 Thunder Chief. Installing protective cover over Republic F-105 Thunder Chief, largest nose air intake, preventing additional water or debris entry.
Examining Republic F-105 Thunder Chief cockpit interior. All systems appear water damaged.
Observing Republic F-105 Thunder Chief hydraulic systems, flight controls, landing gear, weapons bay doors, all systems contaminated with seawater.
Examining Republic F-105 Thunder Chief fuel system, internal wing tanks, fuselage tanks, 1,160-gallon internal capacity, checking for contamination. Accessing Republic F-105 Thunder Chief avionics bays, examining navigation equipment, weapons delivery systems, classified 1960s avionics water damaged.
Checking Republic F-105 Thunder Chief electrical systems, generators, avionics, flight instruments, all electrical components destroyed by saltwater.
Inspecting Republic F-105 Thunder Chief internal weapons bay, nuclear weapons capability, bomb racks, bay door mechanisms, revolutionary internal carriage design.
Republic F-105 Thunder Chief internal weapons bay, removing sediment and corrosion, exposing bomb racks, bay door mechanisms.
Draining and flushing Republic F-105 Thunder Chief fuel system, removing contaminated JP4, cleaning tanks, lines, pumps, preparing for restoration. Draining Republic F-105 Thunder Chief hydraulic systems, removing contaminated fluid, flushing reservoir, lines, actuators, complete system purge.
Deep cleaning Republic F-105 Thunder Chief engine bay, removing salt deposits, corrosion from engine mounts, accessory drives, firewall.
Cleaning Republic F-105 Thunder Chief landing gear bays, nose gear well in fuselage, main gear wells in wings, removing rust and deposits.
Regular cleaning of the engine inlet is crucial to prevent foreign object damage and ensure optimal airflow to the compressor.
Inspecting Republic F-105 Thunder Chief afterburner section, variable area exhaust nozzle, fuel injection rings.
Examining Republic F-105 Thunderchief's internal weapons bay and fuselage.
Finalizing cable network on Republic F-105 Thunderchief. Distributing 50-ton total lift load, including water weight, across air. Reinforcing Republic F-105 Thunderchief tail section, vertical stabilizer, horizontal stabilizers, moving stabilizer surfaces.
Inspecting Republic and F-105 Thunderchief internal weapons bay doors on fuselage underside. Bomb bay designed for near weapon delivery.
Examining Republic F-105 Thunderchief wingbox structure, 45-degree sweep, integral fuel tanks, checking for stress cracks, combat damage.
Examining the Republic F-105 Thunderchief ejection seat. We're checking if the seat was fired during the incident and assessing its overall condition. Repairing Republic F-105 Thunderchief internal fuel tanks, wing tanks, fuselage tanks, resealing. Restoring Republic F-105 Thunderchief engine mounting structure, engine cradle, vibration ice isolators.
Restoring Republic F-105 Thunderchief tail structure, vertical stabilizer attachment, horizontal stabilator pivot points, empennage strength.
Rebuilding Republic F-105 Thunderchief landing gear bays, gear doors, retraction mechanisms, strengthening structure for gear operation.
Restoring Republic F-105 Thunderchief internal weapons bay structure, bomb bay frames, door hinges, actuator mounts, unique fighter-bomber feature.
Restoring Republic F-105 Thunderchief structure.
Reinforcing Republic F-105 Thunderchief internal fuselage frames, repairing stress cracks, strengthening structure, maintaining airframe integrity. Rebuilding Republic F-105 Thunderchief afterburner section, variable area nozzle, actuator mechanisms, spray rings, high temperature structure.
Restoring Republic F-105 Thunderchief wing skin, repairing leading edges, trailing edges, replacing damaged panels, preserving swept wing profile.
Installing new windows in Republic F-105 Thunderchief, cockpit windscreen, canopy panels, optical quality glass matching original specifications.
Installing restored canopy on Republic F-105 Thunderchief, sealing, opening mechanism, emergency jettison system operational.
Installing rebuilt Pratt & Whitney J75 P19W engine in Republic F-105 Thunderchief, 26,500.
Restoring hundreds of access panels on Republic F-105 Thunderchief, maintenance doors, inspection panels, fasteners, Zeus fasteners.
105 Thunderchief pivot boom, airspeed sensor, angle of attack vane, flight instrument probe. As on Republic F-105 Thunderchief, communication, navigation, IFF, weapons systems antennas.
Restoring Republic F-105 Thunderchief speed brake on bottom of aft fuselage, hydraulic actuator, large surface area for deceleration.
Installing support framework for Republic F-105 Thunderchief tail assembly, protecting vertical stabilizer, horizontal stabilators, tail structure requiring protection.
Installing additional supports under Republic F-105 Thunderchief swept wings, preventing wing droop, supporting fuel tank structure, protecting wing integrity.
Installing weapons bay systems in Republic F-105 Thunderchief. Bomb racks, bay door actuators, weapons release mechanisms.
Installing complete fuel system in Republic F-105 Thunderchief. Internal tanks, pumps, lines, fuel management, distribution to engine. Okay, let's get these landing gear doors installed on the Thunderchief. Make sure those mechanisms are working smoothly for aerodynamic closure. Installing hydraulic systems in Republic F-105 Thunderchief.
Make sure those hydraulic lines are torqued to spec.
Roger that. Checking pressures now.
Protecting Republic F-105 Thunderchief retracted landing gear, nose gear and fuselage, main gear and wings, ensuring gear stays retracted during transport.
Restoring Republic F-105 Thunderchief ejection seat rails in cockpit, ensuring proper seat installation, life-saving equipment mounting. Installing period-correct avionics. Navigation, communication, weapons delivery systems.
Testing Republic F-105 Thunderchief cockpit lighting, instrument lights, red cockpit lighting, floodlights.
Verifying Republic F-105 Thunderchief wings are not carrier capable, fold wing design, solid wing attachment, planning transport with full wingspan extended.
Testing all Republic F-105 Thunderchief systems, electrical, hydraulic, fuel, ensuring museum display quality, operational appearance.
Applying hundreds of stencils to Republic F-105 Thunderchief. Warning markings, maintenance instructions, access panel labels, authentic details. Perfect. That angle captures the power.
The crews who flew these, true heroes.
This display tells their story.
Examining Republic F-105 Thunderchief's 45-degree swept wings, 34-foot wingspan. Checking wing box structure.